Today I'm going to look to invest in Treatt PLC. I've been on the internet and done a bit of research, and it says here a tradition of excellence. We're a trusted ingredients manufacturer and solutions provider to the global flavour, fragrance and consumer goods market from our bases in the UK, the US and China. We've been making the world taste better since our foundation in 1886, but this is just the beginning. And it goes on to say what they do. Now, what's drawn me to or one of the reasons what's drawn me to RC Treatt is that they're based in Bury St Edmunds, Suffolk, and I know Bury St Edmunds, Suffolk quite well. So it's a very local company to myself as a PLC, and I've got a chance to invest in them. I've applied my research formula, which I'll run through with you. There's questions to ask before buying shares, and I've applied this to RC Treatt. First question is, what does the company do? It says here, we're a trusted manufacturer and solutions provider to the global flavour, fragrance and consumer goods market from our bases in the UK, the US and China, as I previously mentioned from the website. Why will a share price go higher? Well, it's a long established company working in an industry where products are in demand. How high will I let it go before I sell some or all of my stake? Well, the highest price has been $6.52. Price now is $5.54. Well, that's when I started my research, but that's actually at £5. I will let shares run for the time being. Am I buying something that has gone down a lot? No, the price over the last 52 weeks has had a range of $3.50 to $6.52, and as I said, it's currently running at £5. This is as of today when I'm deciding to buy. If so, why will it recover when it hasn't so far? Well, it has not gone down, so that question is not relevant. How low am I prepared to see the price fall before I leave? What will my stop loss be? I'm in for the long run, so say $3.50. Could this share be a lot lower in 6 months' time? Possibly, but this will be for a long run, this share. I'm just going to sit and hold. What's the worst case scenario? I'd take a stop loss at $3.50. More questions, all forming a part of the analysis. The major weaknesses. Other people are running the company. I don't know them. You are in the hands of others, but from what I can see, it looks a well-run company. Am I really comfortable with it? Well, yes, I think I am. Have I checked the net debt? Yes. It's 16 million and pre-tax profits of 13.3 million. Have I bought this because someone tipped it on a bulletin board? No. If so, were the reasons for trusting the tip? No. Did I research this properly? Well, I think I have. I've sort of read up on them a fair bit, and I'm now going for the analysis. Really? Well, yes, I think I have. Am I buying because I'm bored and just want to make a trade? No, but I have spare cash in my AJ Bell ISA account, and these shares are not available to buy in Trading 212 or Freetrade. Did the nice guy on Twitter mention buying it, and am I just copying him because that sounds like he knows what he's doing? No. The billionaire test. Divide the market cap by year's profit. How much do you want your company, and what are the profits? Profit before taxation and the market cap. Divide one by the other is 2.23. So looking at this, that would take 2.23 years to buy the company, if I've calculated it right, but I will stand to be corrected on that one. Do not buy anything with net debt more than 3 times the full year's tax profit. Well, the profit before tax is 12,545. Liabilities are 28,905. I've taken this from the company reports. I put the page numbers on there. I've divided it, which is 2.3, which is less than 3. So that meets that criteria. Dividend yield is 1.13%. I've looked at the chart and the shares seem to be fairly stable on an upward trend. The price of shares now is £5. 52-week range is 310 pence to 550 pence. Take a look at the website, quality of shareholder information and general quality of website. Well, the website is a section for investors with good information and has lots of details on the company, etc. Another test you can do is try sending an email to the company and see if it responds and how quick and how helpful the response is. I sent an email to the company's share brokers asking a question if I could attend an AGM. I had a reply within the hour from the assistant company secretary explaining fully how I needed to get a letter of representation from my broker as my shares will be held in a nominee account. The PE ratio, price earnings, equals share price divided by earnings per share. This is 28.57, and this is the number of years it will take for earnings of the company to cover the share price. People say a high PE ratio indicates that the company is highly valued by the shareholders, so in this case it is. So that's all my analysis I've done. I'm now going to go to my trading, to my AJ Bell platform. I'm just logging in onto my ISA account, and I'm now going into it. Where am I? You'll have to bear with me a bit because I'm just got to get the shares on here. Right, here we go. You can see Treatt PLC. They sell at $4.95. You can buy at 500. That's down 2.5 pence on a day. And I'm now going to deal. So I press deal, and I'm going to go for buy. And I'll just take the screen away for a second because I've got to access some information which I don't wish you to see. It's some security stuff, nothing too secret, but I'm going to go for a buy at best. Now a limit order because the markets have closed, and I'm going to put the amount in of £300. Done. Include the charges, and that's going to expire on the 7th of July, which is tomorrow. Select, and I'm now going to review the order. And I've got to put the limit price in, which I will put in at slightly higher. I'll put it at £5.10, with the price now being at £5. And I've allowed for charges, review order, and I've just got to put my password in. This is a bit protracted, but just bear with me. I'm nearly there. This is live. This is a live video of me actually entering my password so I can purchase these shares in real time. We'll put a limit order in, and where are we? I've now got the information for you. Thank you for bearing with me. It's a buy limit order. The amount is £300. I've got 306 available cash. That's including charges. The limit price is £5.10 and the expiry date is the 7th of July, which is tomorrow. So the order will be put in tomorrow morning when the London Stock Exchange opens, and then I will be an owner of Treatt PLC shares. I hope you found this interesting. Obviously I've given you my recommendations, or not my recommendations, but shown you I'm actually going to invest in Treatt PLC, and I've shown you the process I've gone through, which this process can be applied when you buy any shares, and I recommend you do that. If you drop me a line, I can send you a template of all the questions to ask in the form of a spreadsheet, so you can fill it in for every company you tend to do an analysis on. So till next time, I bid you a very goodbye.